Come on, come. 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 Okay, sit down. Stay. 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 We are waiting for dog to pass because she's very reactive with dogs. And we are training about that. Mara, sit down. So I made her sit down again because she got distracted with the grass to sneeze. So reactivity is about training and have a fully control of your dog. Come on, go, come on. And if your dog likes balls, like some other kind of toys, go. Here. Go. Let's go. Go. When I got her, she didn't know how to play with balls and other toys and some of other dogs because they are different. They are just like that. They are always with their own selves. So this training that I do all the day long is for me and my dog. So now she got distracted by a man passing. Here, so I got her to look at me or the ball because she got locked down on the man passing out. And I don't know if you guys could hear. To distract her. I was talking to her, was passing the balls for her, and she got distracted by the balls. Good girl. Here. Still. Okay. This should do with some other dogs that I got to train. Oh my god. I'm very tired. So that's it. On the other videos, I'm gonna get her friend, which is a Labrador. She's a guide dog. Other female dogs. Come. And that's why I sometimes with female dogs or male dogs training to make some friends too. Yeah, you guys know, because she's antisocial. She's very antisocial. She's always with her own self, and I love her very much. So guys, this video is for today, but then I'm gonna record some other videos to show how to show her I train her like very other days, but and even the night, because sometimes we go out in the night, so but I don't know if I'm gonna because it's night. I don't know if I gonna got to a good record in the night. So that's it, guys. Keep it tuned on some other videos that I'm gonna record with her and some other dogs. So this video is for today. Thank you for watching this video. for like the video, and I love you guys very much. So that's it. Bye guys, have a nice day, and I hope you guys, like, if someone have a reactive dog, I hope that everyone could train your reactive dog, and could train your reactive dog, and you guys know, because reactivity is not about off control your dog or same as you. So that's it. Thank you guys very much, and the video is for today. Now bye guys.